Good Saturday morning, everybody. We are starting the morning with a run, as we have been recently. And I've got both of them to join me this morning, so let's continue with our run. We'll get back home, make breakfast, and I think we might go to Mimi and Poppy's today. So let's get this day started. Well, good. No, you got me, man. First time trying to pig in a blanket. What do you think, bud? Piper, what are your thoughts, girl? All right, guys, we are getting our day started by heading to the zoo really quick. Taking a quick trip to the zoo because the new train is supposedly up and running. I recall the train from the early 2000s, late 90s, however old it was, I forget. And then the newer one has been out of commission for a while. So now the newest one is up and running. So before we head to Mimi and Poppy's, let's go ride the new train. Piper, are you excited, girl? Okay. Oh my goodness. On the way to the train. What did the elephants just say as we were passing them on the way to the train?
And then they said, "Hey, they all don't see our new exhibit."
Our new exhibit. They went, "Wow."
Let's see if we can get him to do it again.
Ah. What do you think, girl? Ah. Here it is. You ready to see the new train? Oh my goodness. Here it is, bud. Wow, that's a pretty looking train, man. Roger, look at all the buttons and controls. That's pretty cool. All right, we'll wait a minute for the conductor to get here. But while we're at it, we'll check out the other new part of the zoo. That is the main entrance. It's been under construction for well over a year now, I believe. Look at that. It's looking beautiful. Still not open, but they're almost done with it, and it's looking great.
Should open next month.
Next month? Next month. We'll come check out the entrance. Look at that. All right. Oh, none of the carts face each other. It's all forward facing now. Wow. Y'all ready? We're moving. We're moving, girl. Piper. What do you think? Wow.
Would y'all welcome visitors I know it's a little bit early for lunch, but
All right, train appears to be in perfect working order. We're listening to the actual train as well as the zoo train. Do they communicate? Piper, do the trains communicate together? As not to hit each other? But train's back up and running. Those of you who've been waiting for the train at the Montgomery Zoo, it's good to go. Come check it out. Let's get to Mimi and Poppy's. Yeah, my car is here. Uncle Tanner!
Well, may I recommend we hit this first thing before it gets to 100 degrees?
Be gentle, girl.
I can real quick. Sticking your tongue down. I didn't want that to be.
a burger.
Burger. I'm gonna move my keys away from the car so that I stop doing that. I'm just gonna put them in the garage. You good, buddy? What you working on, bud?
I'm working on the dog.
The car?
Yeah.
Nice.
We got the whole crew going.
That is the perfect tool to work on a car with. So y'all's, the lock is broken?
Yeah, the motor that locks and unlocks the door is just going out, and so we're just replacing it.
Fletcher, what's going on, man?
The whole
I'm
thing.
working on the handle.
On the handle? What do you think's wrong with it, bud? Huh. Piper's ready to help. She has a cow. Yeah, from right here to right here. How long is that? I'll hold my finger. How long is that?
6:38.
6:38. Write that down. All right, guys. I am alone, and I am pulling back up to our house. Reason being, I left Olivia and the kids who are napping at my parents' house, ran back here. I am going to go mow and do some yard work because now is my time to do that. I'm going to do that super quick and then get back up there for dinner. This is the time as a father of 2 and the husband of 1. This is my time as a father of 2 to do yard work. Otherwise, I'd wake them up here, and I don't have much free time throughout the week. So, back at home, let's go do some really quick yard work and then get back up to Wetumpka. What is going on?
I have a special guest.
Oh, hey. Hey, girl.
You've been gone so long that your kids started calling me dad.
Hey, wow.
I'm good. So you want more spaghetti? Or just
Alright guys, end of the day. And every time we find ourselves at the end of the day at Mimi and Poppy's, Olivia and I do our best to have a 10 to 15 minute date every single time. And here we are on our 10 to 15 minute date. And boy, oh boy, do I have a surprise for you. Or
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
she's counting to 101. Oh, you just messed it up. So I've challenged Olivia to count 100 in one breath of air. All right, Olivia, the floor is yours.
You gotta not laugh. Settle.
Sabotage yourself, yeah. You let out all your air at the same time. Yeah, just go count to the woods.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5.
I sabotaged you there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 30.
Yeah, this takes all the fun out of it. These are our date nights. You're witnessing our 10-15 minute date nights. 84?
Yeah.
All right.
And then I started laughing at myself.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 107, 108, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136. Oh, a bit lightheaded there.
You went over 100.
136. We need to go check to see what they can get to. I'm not gonna tell you what I got to, but I need you to count to 100 in one breath of air.
Mason, do you want to see our new
Or see if you
car?
can.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 44, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Nice. Well done.
I want to do
I gotta go
the
bed.
song. I want to do the song.
Oh, we got... Hunter, I need you to count to 100 in one breath of air, and if you get to 100, see how much further past you can go.
Out loud.
Out loud.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Not in your head.
Can I, by ones?
Yes, by ones.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Why are you letting all your air out?
because that's how you get faster.
No, it's not. More numbers come out.
Okay, here we go. What?
You're breathing in.
No, I'm not.
That's just
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55,
The fear of the
I got to 60. The funny thing is... Hey, no, I'm the star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54.